Hey, welcome to LaunchCrafted. I'm Morteza and I've been in a startup and tech world for a while now. About 8 years as a software engineer, tech lead, and engineering manager. I've had my fair share of startups, some tiny, some small, but each one of them taught me something invaluable about building products. And that's what I'm excited to share here. A quick background on me. My last startup was a pretty cool adventure. I founded a platform in video game industry back in Iran. And for 5 years, it became the most loved app in that category. But like many startups, we had our challenges. And due to some unfortunate economic circumstances, I had to sell it. That's what led me to pack my bags, leave Iran, and head over to the UK. It's been quite a journey. And honestly, I'm starting this channel for the same reason that pushed me to dive into my startups. There is just so much to learn, and I know how hard it can be to find all the right resources in one place, especially when you're going solo. When I started my first company, I was like, where the heck do I even begin? There weren't many clear guides on building products from scratch, validating ideas, getting that first sale, and even scaling. I had to piece together whatever I could find, and frankly, that was rough. And even now, in an AI age, I still see a gap. You know, those resources that show you the full life cycle of building tech product, the whole journey from idea to launch and beyond. Sure, you can find the bits and pieces, but nothing really connects all the dots in one place. There is where LaunchCrafted comes in. On this channel, we are going to walk through the entire process step by step. Whether it's figuring out if your idea is any good, building it, understanding the tech, or learning how to scale it to something massive, I'll cover both the technical stuff and the business side. And I promise, it won't just be the boring lectures. We'll break it down with real-world examples, practical tips, and maybe a bit of humor along the way. But this channel isn't just for people who want to build a startup themselves. Maybe you're someone who's looking to hire a team to bring your idea to life. But before you jump in, you want to get a high-level overview of what startups are all about, what challenges lie ahead, how to choose the right marketing strategy, how to pick the best tech stack for your product, and most importantly, what you should expect on this journey. With LaunchCrafted, you will get the tools and knowledge to design your startup path with your eyes wide open. So whether you're building your own thing or working with a team, this channel is here to make sure you're prepared. You don't need to be a big team or have a ton of resources to start. That's what this channel is all about. It's for solopreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, developers who want to build their own product, and anyone who's ready to turn that big idea into reality. So if you're ready to dive into the world of tech startups, whether you're brand new to the game or looking to expand what you already know, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. We are going to explore product ideation, tech stacks, building teams, or going solo, and everything in between. And hey, I'm still learning too. We'll figure this out together, one video at a time. So stick around, grab your coffee, and let's get started. Welcome to LaunchCrafted.